Today is all about clean edges, vacuum lamination and a special challenge waiting at the end. Let's go! Setting up the edgebander. Time to start edging the furniture panels. These panels will be used for a wardrobe. Setting a new panel thickness. These will be for the door frames. We are using this old edgebander to make casings for door frames. I am finishing the radiuses and now it's ready for lamination. We have here door frame parts, another profile, alright, time to press. I am using this handheld glue applicator. It's a super handy tool. Laminate. Now it's time for the vacuum press. Today is very busy day. A lot of work. This is a part of the door frame, the side piece. And here is the door casing. After pressing, I trimmed the excess laminate with this special knife I made myself. Edges are trimmed, parts are ready, and now it's time for today's challenge. Every woodworker must be strong. Challenge? I have set myself a goal. By episode 20, I want to complete 10 pull-ups. I will show you my progress in every video. Will you join me in this challenge? Only 3, 2.5. Day 2 is done. Hit follow and join me in part 3.